Back to the channel, and once again back in George's garage. He's back here, so he's got another addition to the Shelby. So we'll go ahead and get into that and show you what George has here planned for his Shelby for the shows. He's going to win some trophies this year.
I don't know. We'll try. Had a little more paint work done with the performance blue and white stripes. We were going to extend them from the outside to under the hood. And here they are.
So color match to the car, and the stripes are placed on them also. So they're going to look good.
Stripes came out of Bemaro films, pre-cut. They look pretty good.
Turned out pretty good. So go ahead, let's get to it.
Okay.
Get this stuff installed. Engine bay looks a little empty without all this stuff sitting here with the cross.
Yeah, it's missing a lot of bling.
Yeah, bring the stripes up from the front, straight under the hood. All right, George got everything set up here to protect suspenders, so we'll get them all scratched up. What do you want to go with first, cross brace?
Yeah, we'll do the cross brace first. That's the biggest piece. That'll work out, and I just got to get this out of the way. You got that side, I'll get this one in. There we go. Put that in there. I'm going to try and get one of these down there and get it centered up over top of the old marks.
All right.
Painted the mounting nuts to match. We'll see how that works out.
And that looks good.
Should look pretty good. Now, if I just get them to line up right where they were,
right.
That's going to be the fun part. I'm going to try with this first one. Get this one lined up.
It's not too bad over here. Yeah.
These Nick ain't got a soft-sided socket for it, so.
I thought maybe you'd have something for that.
I thought about trying to come up with something.
And what he also did was he painted the nuts to match, color matched. Once he tightens these down, he's going to have to touch them up a little bit.
That came out pretty good right where it is. Just have to torque them in the end. That's the only thing I left to do.
Won't be ready for the shows.
Not bad looking at all there. I like that already.
Yeah, put some nice color in there.
Yeah, well, it needs the bar, like you say.
Yeah.
All right.
Go with the radiators.
Yeah, let me. Gotta put one of these on this side. My works bit this way. Yeah, let's get. Let me have that first. I'm gonna start this one into this.
Oh, so it.
Now, I'll take this in and slide this under. Once you get rid of this, push that right down over that piece. Getting under this old hood mount is the problem. I don't want to tighten them up till we get the other screws lined up and set in. These had washers under them. I don't know if I need to put the washers under them or not. Get rid of that.
Oh, he has these colored match also.
Well, I'll try them first. And do this one. I ordered these with the Torx head rather than the hex head that the factory had originally in there. I just thought they'd look a little nicer.
Here's your factory. And then here's your aftermarket, what George found.
Alright, let's get these set in place. Figured these would be easier to touch up too.
Right.
little bit.
Yeah, nice quick addition. You had to wait, what was it, 1 or 2 weeks for the paint?
It was just under 2 weeks.
Really sets it off.
Okay, so that's got that. Yeah,
nice.
A little bit of difference here.
Yeah, that looks good. Good decision.
Yeah, got a little bit more coming eventually here. We just have to get to it also.
And he's going to find it. If there's something else to do, George is going to find it. So he's got the eye for those little touches, setting off the engine bed. All right, well, we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. It's just a quick one with the color match, radiator cover, and strut tower brace.
Then we get it all put back together with a touch-up, then we'll have to do a final video.
Do a final video, or it might even be at one of the first car shows.
There you go.
So you'll see everything put back together at the first car show that we get to. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, take care.